All we need is a place to be and a few good friends for some company. If you'd like to stay, you don't have to leave. We'll leave the lights on and the door unlocked. If you drop on by, you don't have to knock. We're happy to share whatever we've got.
Here we go, another day. I'm having a walk along the pond. People, this is the Instagram area, this place. Thank you. So this is where everyone takes pictures. I'm just walking in the way. Over there in the middle of the pond is a castle. That's the castle. Put the world off. They did everything from there. It actually looks like it's sinking. Looks a bit wonky. It's the Leaning Castle of Hanoi. Right, all that what I just said, probably rubbish. Well, the last bit might actually be right. It might be sinking. Here's some more photos happening here. This person's then sitting right in front of the tree, so I don't know if I can get past. It's a stupid place to sit if it is. Here's a tree. Looks like I've been drinking all night because it looks a bit drunk. And there's someone posing. Thank you. Bye bye. Just posting the Vietnamese cards. Here we go. Oh, overseas. I'm putting the wrong one. Look, overseas. 3 of them. So there's your. Obviously, address is not shown. There we go. That should arrive in about 28 months. Takes forever to get anywhere. Well, actually, Thai time. Well, not on Thai time, but Vietnam time. You know, there's McDonald's over there. Let's go and get McDonald's. So I don't know what's going on here. It looks important, so we shall film it. Oh, it's about a face mask. Honestly, promote your face mask still. No more face masks for me. This is all the shops we can't afford to go to. So we're just bypassing these shops. Go to the fake places. I think I've got a fake Japan top on here actually. It's only 15 quid. So we come out of that place, we're not allowed to film in it. But look, I'm filming outside. Well, we're going to try across this road. Right, don't tell anyone, we're going to McDonald's. It's just so we can get Wi-Fi, honest. Right, I'm not really getting a McDonald's. I thought this was egg coffee. I made a mistake. I thought they had Mc egg coffee and Mc egg chips and Mc coconut burger. So I just got this wrong a little bit. Right, I'm really at a Vietnamese restaurant. It's called Mc Vietnamese. There we go. So I shall prove it. There we go. That's proof that I'm in Vietnam. Okay, now we're at. Right, where's my guide? Got a guide here? Tell me where we're at? No guide. Right, we're at a shopping mall. Apparently this is a shopping mall. Looks like you live here too. Rent an apartment out, probably cheap. Right above the shopping mall. Anyway, let's go. This is a lady and a boy. And there is nothing about who she is. So I think it's just a nobody. There's lots of nobodies. And it's nice to be here because there's no cars and bikes rushing around everywhere. It's just a pedestrianised place. This is how they want George flipping Square back over the idiots because you can't get around George Square. You've got to go miles and cause traffic jams and everything. But this is how they want it. The council don't listen to anybody, so that's how they're going to get it. And I'm moaning about the council in Glasgow again. Because all I ever do, even when I'm 5,000 miles away, I still moan. Anyway, let's enjoy this. Let's go see how much an apartment is. You can even do your washing and get off on the balcony, look. This is the entrance to my new home. I'm coming living on my own. Get some peace and quiet from life. Well, not that much peace. Over there it's too flipping. Too many walk away, it's not very peaceful. It's beep 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 beep. We managed to find a map of this humongous shopping centre. Here we go. This is Abba. You are here. Enough of that. Okay, as you know, in Vietnam they do egg everything, so I'm going to try an egg beer now. Look at Hanoi egg beer. Let's try this. Hello, you got banh mi? Banh mi,
baguette and croissant over there.
So I've got I'm getting a chocolate. No, I'm not. I'm getting an egg beer. Oh, not in it. I'm getting an egg beer and banh mi from in here, and they just give us free cake. I've got a coconut cake here. Making a mess, but it's good. That's where we are.
Please pour it slowly and
Okay.
you can enjoy. Stop and you can enjoy.
Ah, right, okay. Then drink.
Yes, thank you.
Thank you. So I've got my first egg beer here. It's a beer. Here's the egg. Egg beer. Very nice. My new favourite. Okay.
How about your beer air?
Yes, very nice.
Thank you. It's like water beer in America.
Water beer.
Potter. Do you know Harry Potter?
Harry Potter.
Yeah, it's like
Harry
Potter beer.
Potter beer.
Oh yeah.
Harry Potter.
It's like when you pour the beer and drink with your hand, it's like sweeter.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Harry Potter beer. Lovely. Yeah, look at this. Oh, thank you. Chips as well. Thank you. Oh, my banh mi. Banh mi, what is it again? Let's put some chips in it. Yeah. A bit of salad. I'll put a bit of salad in a bit. So this is amazing. Banh mi, pork, lettuce, chips, a beer, coffee beer, egg beer. I don't know what it is. And how much is this? €5 or something. Quite dear for around here, but it's still amazing. We go to a Japanese restaurant that went on the first day I got here, called Sachiko. It's so good, we go back. Here we are.
Is that on?
Sachiko. Yes, on this street, wherever we are. Very good. See if we can get an outside spot. What's the traffic? Oh, I keep tripping over. I've got these very small, windy passages. Passages. There we go, look at this view you get from this Japanese restaurant. Yeah, watch all the... It's quieting down a bit now. Our boss will just go around, bikes come in, look. You know, just ignore them. Chaos. Say konnichiwa, no hello?
Yeah.
Konnichiwa.
Oh, konnichiwa.
That's it. So I don't know what I'm having, this is the hardest bit. We've got some edamame. These are wheat beans. They're quite good, they're warm. Right, got some fish here. You just dip it in. I've got some eel as well. So I've got a beautiful looking ramen here. Let's try this. If it's as good as Japan, probably not. I love ramen. And here we have shrimp tempura. My little dip. That wasn't a shrimp tempura at all, it's shrimp sushi. I don't know what I'm talking about.